So when we're chipping in, we just want to take just the top bit, and we're going to point our scissors downward, and we're just going to move across our finger. So we're resting this blade on your finger, and we're just moving across, and we're bringing it up. And remember not to take massive sections, because otherwise the layers are just not going to be straight. They're going to be a bit all over the place, and we don't want that, do we, RJ? We don't want that. Riley is actually my first apprentice that I trained up, and he is absolutely smashing it now, aren't you, Riley? As you can see here, so I'm not coming all the way around here, and I'm not taking too much length off here. I'm bringing it up, and I'm stretching that hair out, and then I'm just chopping into it to get rid of the ends. Again, I'm coming in at that angle, I'm stretching out, and then I'm taking off the ends. So when you're moving your scissors, you should essentially be only be moving one blade. Okay, so this blade that you're not moving, which is where your actual hand is, not where your thumb is, will be resting on your finger. And the blade that's moving, you move that with your thumb, and you just go across your finger, just like that. Sorry, Riley, I'll get back to you, mate. The reason that why we are just chopping into this is because Riley doesn't want too much length off, and it just wants a little bit of texture, and just so it flows a little bit nicer.